There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making party jollof rice, and these are the ingredients. So this one is strong chicken. It's good you use strong chicken because it will give you that taste, that sweet taste you want. And this one is rice. I will be using this parboiled rice. So, and this is pepper, and this one is fresh tomatoes and hot pepper. So I will be using 2 pieces of onions, and this one is nutmeg, and this is curry, this is bay leaf, and this one is jollof rice spices, and of course Maggi cube. I'll be using 3 pieces, and this is 10 tomatoes, and oil. I'll be using this vegetable oil to fry it. This is butter. I'll be adding the butter inside the rice. So these are the ingredients, so let's go. So I'll start by boiling the meat. I'll be adding salt and onions, and I'll add Maggi, and of course I will be adding also curry, and I will boil it for like 30 minutes because it's a strong chicken, so I want it to be very soft. So this is the curry. So I will blend the tomatoes and onions and pepper. Then after blending it, I will boil it. I will let the water dry out. So I will leave it till it dries. So I will use warm water to wash this rice. I will rest it like 2 or 3 times with warm water. You see, now I'm going to filter it. So I will still do this like 2 times again. So I will be frying the chicken. So I'll be adding a little water in the tin tomatoes because it's too thick. So I just want to add a little bit water. this is the oil I used to fry the chicken. So I'm just going to filter it because of all these dirties, you know. So we are going to start the process now. So I'm going to fry these onions a little bit. It seconds, like 40 seconds. This is it, tomatoes and pepper, the one I boiled. So I will add it first, then like 2 minutes I will add the tin tomatoes. So this is after 2 minutes. So I added the tin tomatoes. So leave it for some minutes. Make sure you stir every minute, because if not, it's going to burn. So I'll be adding the curry and nutmeg. Then I will add the bay leaf. Leave it to simmer like some minutes. Then spices. This is jollof rice spices. It's the one I added now. So you're going to stir it very well. Don't leave it, okay? Always stir it. You see, the tomatoes is ready now. It's very dry now. So I'm going to test it to see if it's really okay, like the way I want it. Now I will be adding the chicken stock, but I'm going to filter it with this filter because I don't want to see anything like onions and meat, you know, all these things. So I just filter it out. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys, to support your sister, subscribe now. Now free oh. Now we please subscribe, hit that button, you know, press on the notification bell in case anytime I upload. So I just added salt because it wasn't enough. Now I add this rice, then I'm going to stir it and cover. My old subscribers, I appreciate you so much. You always come back, so I really appreciate you. And for my new ones, welcome. Thank you for coming. So you see, I added the water to the level of the rice. So I'm going to use this foil paper to cover it. So I'm going to be cooking it for 20 minutes, but always check if it's dried off or if it's ready the way you want it. Because it might want a different way. I want my rice to be like not so soft, not so strong. So I'll be adding this butter now. So the rice is ready now, so it's ready to eat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.